Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Settings and navigating to Personalization taskbar. This gets you straight into the controls you need. Make sure you have permission to change taskbar behavior. If not, switch to an admin account or request access. Once done, locate the taskbar behavior section and scroll to find locking or auto-hide options. You'll use these controls as part of the toggle. Now that settings is open, prepare to create the toggle action itself using a shortcut or script. You'll build a small script to flip the taskbar lock state. Use PowerShell to modify the registry key that controls locking or write an auto hotkey toggle that sends the proper API call. Explain why. Scripts ensure repeatable, single-key control and avoid manual menus. Once your script toggles the setting reliably, create a desktop shortcut to it and then assign a hotkey in the shortcut properties. Make sure to test. If it needs elevation, set the script to run as administrator. You now bind a hotkey to the shortcut so one press locks or unlocks the taskbar. For example, set Ctrl plus Alt plus L in the shortcut properties. Make sure the target runs minimized and has required elevation, otherwise the toggle will fail silently. After binding, test across sign-ins and restart to confirm persistence. If things go wrong, check that the script path is correct, run it manually to view error messages, and confirm registry or API permission. Those are the usual culprits.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.